नमस्कार विद्यार्थ्यांनो. मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण ट्रँगलच्या एरिया संबंधित 4 प्रॉपर्टीज बघितल्या होत्या. ते जरा आपण त्यांची रिव्हिजन घेऊया. इफ टू ट्रँगल्स हॅव्हिंग डिफरंट बेस अँड डिफरंट हाईट, देन द रेशो ऑफ देअर एरियाज इज इक्वल टू द रेशो ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ देअर बेस अँड करस्पॉन्डिंग हाईट. Second property, if the height of the two triangles are equal, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Third property, if the bases of two triangles are equal, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. And fourth property, if two triangles having equal base and equal height, then their areas also equal. आता या चारही प्रॉपर्टीजवर आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 सॉल्व करायचं आहे. प्रॅक्टिस बघा इकडे लक्ष द्या. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1. बेस ऑफ अ ट्रँगल इज 9 and its height is 5, and base of another triangle is 10 and its height is 6. Find the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. आपण आन्सरमध्ये एक मानूया. A1 and A2 are the areas of two triangles. B1 and B2 are their bases. H1 and H2 are their heights. Given that the base and height of both triangles are given, B1 is equal to 9, H1 is equal to 5, B2 is equal to 10, H2 is equal to 6. आणि आपल्याला विचारलं आहे A1 is to A2 is equal to what? These two triangles having different bases and different height. Therefore, using first property, the ratio of their areas means A1 upon A2 is equal to the ratio of products of their base and corresponding height, means B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2 is equal to B1 is 9 into H1 is 5 upon B2 is 10 into H2 is 6. सिम्प्लिफाय करूया. 5 ने 10 ला डिवाइड करा 2, 9 आणि 6 ला 3 ने डिवाइड करा 2, 3 means is equal to 3 upon 4, means the A1 is to A2, this ratio is equal to 3 is to 4, means final answer is the ratio of areas of these given two triangles is 3 is to 4. Now second question. In figure, segment BC is perpendicular to segment AB. AD is perpendicular to AB, BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. Then find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Now these two triangles having common side BC, if we take, this is the base of both triangles, means in triangle ABC, AB is the base and BC is the height, and in triangle ADB, AB is base and AD is the height. Means triangle ABC and triangle ADB have common base. Which base? AB. Using third property, we know that if the base is common, means bases of two triangles are equal, then the ratio of their areas, means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to the ratio of their heights, means BC upon AD, because triangles having equal base. Which base? BC. BC and AD are given. BC is given 4 and AD is 8. The simplification of this ratio is 1 upon 2. That means the answer is 1 upon 2. This is the second example. Now third example. This is the third example. In figure, segment PS is perpendicular to RQ, segment RQ. Segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12, then find the length of segment QT. RQ is equal to 6. PS is equal to also 6 and PR is equal to 12. Triangle PQR. See in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, segment PS is perpendicular to segment QR. In triangle PQR, segment PS is perpendicular to segment QR. That means this is the height and QR is the base. Using formula, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base QR into height PS is equal to 1/2. QR is given 6 into PS also 6. Answer is 18 square units. Also, in triangle PQR, segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. For the same triangle PQR, PR is the base and QT is the height. Using also formula, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base is PR into height QT. आधीच आपण ट्रायंगलचा एरिया काढून ठेवला आहे 18 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 into PR is 12 into QT, height is QT, not QR, into QT 2 ने 12ला डिवाइड करून टाकू म्हणजे 18 इज इक्वल टू 6 into QT. Therefore QT is equal to 6 18 upon 6 means QT is equal to 3 units. This is the answer. This is example number 3. Now example number 4. In figure, segment AP is perpendicular to segment BC. Line AD is parallel to line BC. Then find the areas of find the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Look here. Draw segment DP. DQ perpendicular to segment BC or line BC. Draw segment DQ perpendicular to line BC. Look, in triangle ABC, segment AP is the base. AP is perpendicular to side BC, means AP is the height and BC is the base. And in triangle BCD, BC is base and height is DQ, and AP and DQ are the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines, means AP and DQ also congruent. This congruent means triangle ABC and triangle BCD have common base. Which base? AB, and their heights are AP and DQ respectively, such that both are equal, which AP is equal to DQ, means triangles having equal base and equal height. Therefore, using the fourth property, the areas of both the triangles are equal, means area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD, means ratio becomes 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to 1, means 1:1. Both triangles having equal base, common base BC, and height of both triangles are AP and DQ respectively, and AP and DQ are the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines, means AP is equal to DQ, means these two triangles having common base BC, means base is equal and heights also equal, therefore areas are equal, therefore the ratio of their areas is 1. Now fifth example. In figure, segment PQ is perpendicular to side BC, segment AD is also perpendicular to side BC. Then find the following ratios. There are 4 ratios. In triangle, first answer of first ratio, there are 2 triangles, triangle PQB and triangle PBC. PQB is a right angle triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle, and triangle PBC. PBC, this BC is the base and PQ is the height. Means these two triangles having equal height. In triangle PQB, PQ is the height, BQ is the base. And in triangle PBC, BC is the base and PQ is the height. Means triangle PQB and triangle PBC have common height. Which height? PQ. Using second property, if the height of two triangles are equal, then the ratio of their areas, means area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBQ is equal to the ratio of their bases. Base of triangle PQB is BQ and base of triangle PBC is BC. Triangles having equal height, means property number second. Now second example, triangle PBC and triangle ABC. In these two triangles, BC is the common side, which is the base of both triangles. And height of PBC is PQ and height of triangle ABC is AD. Means using third property, triangle PBC and triangle ABC have common base. Which base? BC. Therefore, using third property, area of their ratios, the ratio of their areas is equal to area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to, base is equal, means the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Height of triangle PBC is PQ and height of triangle ABC is AD. Means answer is PQ upon BD. Same as in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. ABC and ADC. These two triangles having equal height, which is AD. Therefore, this is the height AD of triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Base of triangle ABC is BC and base of triangle ADC is DC. Means height of these two triangles is common. Therefore, the ratio becomes third answer of third, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC is equal to the ratio of their bases. Base of triangle ABC is BC and area base of triangle ADC is DC. Means answer is BC upon DC. And fourth answer, triangle ADC and triangle PQC. These two triangles, triangle ADC, look in figure, triangle ADC, which is right angle triangle, and triangle PQC is also right angle triangle, and both have different base and different height. Therefore, using first property, the ratio of their areas, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC is equal to base of triangle ADC is DC into its height is AD upon base of triangle PQC is QC into height is PQ, and this is the answer. These are the 4 ratios. Here end of the exercise number 1.5.